Estate administration firms versus probate solicitors. Which one is better for complex cross-border estates? Most people get this wrong. They assume probate is a simple paperwork process. The surprising truth is that cross-border estates involve complex tax rules, multiple jurisdictions, and international asset management that require specialized expertise. Estate administration firms focus on managing the entire estate process from start to finish, especially for families with assets in multiple countries. They coordinate with banks, tax authorities, and foreign legal representatives to ensure smooth asset distribution. For example, if a deceased individual owned properties in the UK, France, and the US, an estate administration firm can centralize management, oversee tax filings in each jurisdiction, and ensure timely transfer of assets to beneficiaries. Probate solicitors, on the other hand, specialize in legal oversight and formal probate proceedings. They handle the validation of wills, court applications, and legal disputes that may arise. For instance, if a contested will involves heirs in different countries, probate solicitors provide legal representation to protect the estate and ensure compliance with local probate laws. The key difference is operational management versus legal oversight. Estate administration firms streamline the entire process and reduce administrative stress, while probate solicitors safeguard legal compliance and represent the estate in disputes. Most successful cross-border estate solutions combine both. Administration firms handle coordination and logistics, while probate solicitors manage legal complexities and potential conflicts. The takeaway is simple: trying to navigate cross-border estates without specialized support can result in delays, tax penalties, and family disputes. The surprising truth is that families who use both estate administration services and probate solicitors often experience faster settlements, lower legal risks, and a smoother inheritance process. For anyone dealing with a complex estate spanning multiple countries, leveraging both estate administration firms and probate solicitors ensures that assets are managed efficiently and legally protected. It's the combination that balances operational ease with legal security.